It's the boy.
Chill and Happy Podcast, episode 36.
New week, new episode. Chila Nami, episode 36, guys. 36. We are going Pambili. But I think we should do a big celebration for episode 50. Maybe 50 something, Yana, to celebrate that. Because we're getting closer and closer. 50 should be great, and it's going to be in the summer. Something great. So today, it's an all girls edition. A bit rocky, but we are managing. So, guys, you know me, Asante, right? I have somebody here, a former member of Sixcan, a girls group, you know. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Please introduce yourself. Tell them your name, maybe your Instagram.
All right. My name is Simpiwe. V to Sam, that stands for Vanessa. And my Instagram, simi.e_. And yeah, man, I'm excited for this.
Yeah, me too. Me too. Wait again, guys. If you guys could, like, be in our heads or be just mosquitoes in here, you will feel the excitement in our hearts. Because, wow, this is like a sort of a reunion kind of vibe.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, we're just so excited. It's just that there were small hiccups, but hey, we are here doing this. So let's do it.
Would you like to mention those hiccups?
Hey, man, team staff, man, it's just a lot of things, but we're here, we made it. And speaking of that, it is Women's Month.
Mm-hmm.
It's Women's Month. It's still Women's Month, guys. Don't forget, it's still Women's Month. So we just thought an all girls episode would be fitting. And I think maybe an icebreaker for us would be maybe each of us can say what it means for us being women. What do we think womanhood is?
Okay. I feel like although being a woman is, especially in a country like ours, it's very scary, you know?
Yeah.
It's not, even expressing yourself becomes problematic.
True.
And the problem is that you don't only get this kind of behavior from men, but other women. Women that we call mapikmi. But being a woman is such a beautiful concept, man. I can't explain it. It's beautiful. You know?
It is.
I would choose being a woman each and every day.
Oh wow.
Even in the world that we live in. But I genuinely I can't put it into words.
I get you.
It's just that the concept of being a woman is beyond something I could ever comprehend. But yeah, man.
Yeah, I get you. I mean, as you said, being a woman in this country is very roller coaster type thing. But without maybe thinking about the country and the world at large and its problems and stuff, I think being a woman is sacrifice. It is power, and it is leadership. It's nurturing. It's understanding this world that we're in, understanding other people, understanding ourselves, because I feel like we're different people every week. Well, women, women, so as much as we have all these other things going on, we are still a gender that many other people can just look up to and look for help to when it comes to various things. So being a woman is powerful. Yeah.
It is.
It's actually hard to explain. Yes, I get it now.
It is.
It's very hard to explain. Very hard to explain. So, okay, we've discussed womanhood. As a woman, again, what would your superpower be? What do you think is your main one superpower as a woman?
I'd say one of my superpowers as being a woman is I just have those, I don't know, man. I have like maternal instincts, you know. It's my intuition, you know, the way I look at things and the way I comprehend them, the way I am able to understand. And I feel like that for me, from everything that I've been through in my life, I feel like that is one thing that I could say is my superpower through the survival, through situations that I've been put in, so forth and so forth. But yeah.
Okay. Okay. I hear you. I think maybe my superpower would be how empathetic I am. I think I'm very empathetic. I feel everything deeply. Like nothing is on the surface for me. Everything
that's
has
true.
layers. It goes down and down and down. So sometimes it's not a good thing, but I think it's the greatest thing about me because I can shape shift into other people's shoes or situations and understand where other people are coming from. So yeah, I think that's my superpower.
But okay, so I do agree with you now. You're a very empathetic person, but my question would be how do I put this question? Like, how do you carry it? You know, because there are some situations that force you to, you know, switch off that side of you.
Yeah,
you
true.
know, and then sometimes you're gonna do that, and then you come back later on and you feel some type of way of, with the way you reacted to a certain situation, and furthermore, but like, how do you hold on to that side of you for so long? Because for the longest time that I've known you, you've always been more than I have ever been.
Let me say this. I think there have been many times, obviously, where I feel like I shouldn't be empathetic. I should just switch off and be as cold-hearted as most people are, actually. Because most people are robots right now. They have mechanical hearts that can switch off.
True.
So sometimes I have to kind of alter it back, just slow it down a little, but most of the time it doesn't work. Yeah, I feel. But carrying it obviously is very difficult because it's not only my emotions, it's my mind, it's my body. My body reacts a lot to things I don't confront. So I don't know how I'm carrying it, but I am. So yeah.
So now you don't confront situations that hurt you?
I do, but not all of them. Some others, I don't think there is a resolve. So it's fine.
Until it's not.
One day.
Until it's not. Sometimes you just explode. So carrying stuff doesn't help.
No.
Yeah.
Did you see the Rose Fest?
No.
Shekinah's Rose Fest. I wanted to go so bad. I think for my girls, I would have loved to go there with my friends because Rose Fest, you know, it's all pink. It's just a girlhood, girl vibes. Like the Brutal Fruits brunch thing. I want to go to that someday. I think it would be really nice going to something like that.
I didn't see that.
Apparently it was fun. And from the pictures, it looked so cute, man. Girlhood. Perfect for Women's Month. So, what have you seen that has been trending?
Oh, damn.
I feel like there's a lot though. There's a lot. There's a lot. This week was a lot.
What have I seen this week?
Limpopo boy.
Oh yes, yes.
You know the reaction, people's reaction to that situation. Women, especially.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Women can be.
Women make it hard for you to defend them. But I know
Yeah.
maybe it's a joke. Their reactions are like a joke. But
Maybe. I'm a keyboard warrior. Ngisho. Ay.
Oh, husband milathandaze.
Timoni. Asitimoni. Umzimba ukhayela izinto.
No, but that video, I didn't even see the video. I saw pictures. It was disgusting. Honestly,
I haven't seen pictures yet.
I saw pictures. It's
For people who don't know, maybe you can explain to us the voice for today. But understand.
Okay, I feel, ne? So the situation, I don't really understand it if it was an ongoing thing or whatever. But Limpopo boy, no, Matiris on it.
Yeah.
They had sexual
Relations.
intercourse and took a video of it. Okay, it's not really a video of them having sex, but I don't know if they were having sex after that or before
it
that.
didn't really.
But yeah,
Yeah.
and so on. So the woman is married
Yeah.
to someone who's Kevin Shy. I think the guy is Kevin Shy.
Okay.
So yeah, the woman is married.
So that's the biggest ick that people have with it. She's married. That's the first thing.
Exactly.
And apparently he posted those things by mistake on Instagram.
I genuinely don't think he did. I don't wanna lie. I genuinely don't think he did.
You don't think he did what?
Post them by accident.
Nah. But why would he want to show himself
I feel like
doing that?
celebrities are like that. In order for them to pick up again or trend again, they will do anything to trend. So I feel like it wasn't a mistake.
It
He
was
knew
planned.
that even if he would make it look like a mistake, the internet is very fast, especially for him. Someone's gonna see it now. Uzo screen recorder manj.
Yeah, quickly.
So
Because
I
apparently
genuinely,
he deleted it in the morning.
yeah. I don't
But
think-
already by then, obviously, people were all over that thing, Pela. It's late. If you're gonna post even at 12, then
It
you
was
wake
a
up
good
at
night.
but
Very good night.
It was a very good night. Oh my god. Yeah.
But I agree, man. Husband, he must hlala emthandazweni. Keep umfazi wakhe
Aqinise
edimoni.
nangale.
Yeah, umfazi wakhe nje uzomkhipha le demon analo. Yeah. Naye aqinise empedeni.
Yeah.
No ways. What do you mean with a So do you think it's because he's not good in bed?
I don't
Maybe
say
not,
that.
maybe not good. No, maybe good is not the word. Maybe he's not explorative.
He's not Limpopo boy.
Yes. He's not fun. He's not
According
exotic.
for her.
Yabona,
He's not
for
Limpopo
her,
boy.
Yes,
Yeah.
Sometimes abantu bekafuna ukuzama stylish. Kanti umuntu wakhe amadolo maybe.
Why not communicate or just like let him know what he I'm no longer interested in you. Like our sexual life is boring.
But that's the thing. Just because the sex life is not interesting does not mean that she doesn't love you. Does not mean she doesn't want the marriage. Like satisfying a woman is very hard. You guys need to understand that. It is very hard.
But
Very-
that's
It's not pop and
grounds
place.
for you to
Satisfying
cheat,
a
bruh.
man is easy. Easy stuff.
Very easy. I can do that.
Men are
without
weak.
cheating.
But a woman. Oh, guys, come on.
Facts.
I feel like you guys are at an age where satisfying a woman is not simple.
It's not simple. Maybe Ella, she was wrong for not telling him.
A woman can have multiple boyfriends. This one is for money. This one is for food. This is transport. And this is the man that I love. This one is very good in bed. That's how women
It's
work.
ngibuze wena ke. Ngibuza wena ngilanda wena direct. Thola ngile na le. So wena lento ezomathiliso, do you justify it?
I don't justify it. I'm not justifying it.
Okay.
What I'm
Let's
saying
say you're in a
is,
situation you're married to a guy, ne? And he's not like performing sexually. Say now my 5 years niyenza lento, it's boring now for sure and so. Like as well, ungaphendule ezimathiliso or any other girl, what do you do in that situation?
I communicate.
And if it doesn't change? you go out and
It
cheat?
has to change.
It can
It won't change.
It
If
will.
I was a pompa,
No.
fuck me hard.
No,
Like-
it has to change. If
can
if
change.
my heart is still willing to make the marriage work, it has to change. Unless
But I feel like-
I
yeah.
tap out sexually, and then obviously in other sectors I'm gonna tap out as well. But it's a process. But if my heart is still in it, I will try until I wear out. That's my point.
Okay, because what I think, the marriage is tolerance at the end of the day. Angisho.
Yes.
So if you can't let go of your sexual pleasures to save your marriage, then you're not worth the marriage. Angithola. If you can't let go of ukuthi ngumuntu okwatayo, angithola. If you can't let go of your temper, you're not ready for marriage. If you can't let go of groove or puza, you're not ready for lento leyo. If your partner doesn't complete you, shuthi nina along the way you didn't get the chance to actually like get to know each other.
Okay, so are you saying that if we get to a point where we are, in terms of our sexual life, it's dead, we leave it to die, we leave it as dead?
If it's something that holds the relationship, then might as well end it. Because if
You know what? It doesn't make sense to do that. It genuinely doesn't.
Sex can't be the thing that holds the relationship.
that's what I'm saying. If it's something
But I'm also
that
saying,
makes the relationship end,
but I'm also saying, as a man, you would never survive that. As a woman, I could survive that, but you can't survive that.
Yeah.
You cannot.
Yeah, you cannot.
You cannot survive. We can't say, okay, we're having problems sexually. Let's try this. Let's try therapy. Let's try bringing someone else in. Let's try. It
bringing
doesn't
someone
work.
else in, like what, threesome?
Yes.
Okay, that can work. Like,
Of course.
that makes sense.
Of course. You would say that.
But then,
Can I bring another man?
Nah, fuck that. Why?
why not?
Why not?
No ways. Nah, why?
For me.
Why? Nah.
Okay, let's bring a man and a woman.
Yeah, fair.
It's fine.
But I think that's a lot now.
If you can, like, I don't know what they call those
I'm
relationships.
just saying this.
Swingers. Yeah, swingers.
Yeah,
like, you
then
can
we just
do that.
swing then.
So,
You don't mind that?
to be honest, Mina, if I like turn 45 or 50 and I see Uti Aksapompegi, I'm like, girl, go and find a pen or something.
Now
Get some
utholele.
pleasure, something on the side.
Mara mama
There's no
wazipompa
use of
umuntu omncane
forcing.
uzomenzani?
But you're not forcing. You're fighting for your marriage. You're not forcing.
No, phela umuntu omncane ngisho lo muntu lo is someone who knows ukuthi bra like
Kumele usebenze.
girls who are your guys' age manjola nabantu abana 40. What do you expect? You expect performance or you just there
No,
for the money and the
definitely
lifestyle
not
obviously.
performance.
So na uzobona utayi na likhehla livuki. Or something.
Okay.
Crazy stuff.
But yeah.
Sana.
Anyways, ne? Like I said, I take away.
Mengisaphendula mina.
Ukatheka, yo.
Bengisaphendula ukuthi we cannot explore all these options and then we're like, okay, you know what? Let's just accept that we are not attracted to each other.
Anymore.
It's slowly going to die. Even if we can sit down and agree with each other, but I tap out physically, I'll tap out mentally, and I'll tap out emotionally. It will get to that point where sign our divorce papers because one of us is cheating. But you can't be in a marriage where there is no sexual pleasure. And I'm not saying that intercourse holds a marriage. No, I'm saying it leads to other
things.
You just tap out along the way.
It keeps it together. This kind.
So you can't be in a relationship with someone you're not attracted to. That's just it.
But I think it starts like that.
It starts
That's
like
the
what?
point. You're attracted to the person at first.
That's what I'm saying. So why would you think it would work in marriage?
Where is she going now?
What's
Sorry,
that?
she's outside. I don't know where she's going now.
Oh, I was on again. But what I'm saying is I've seen in the dating pool, I've seen a lot of things and so on. But if there's something that pisses me off, bruh, like it's the level of cheating that
True.
women do, bruh. Like, I want to cheat out.
You see, when it comes to that, women make it so hard for you to defend them. But
Yeah.
I get umuntu ochitha njengomuntu osifazane.
Exactly.
And you know what's the most, I don't want to say devilish part about it, but you know, it's so easy to catch a man who's cheating.
Yeah.
Even if you don't see stuff in the phone, or someone calls you and says, "Ay, umuntu wakho ngimbonile phela, ume nosbanban," but your body also tells you. It's very easy.
Your
What do
body
you
is the
mean
first
your
thing
body
that tells you,
tells you?
actually. There's a certain
Your
reaction.
your
Ngiyathanda
body.
uzenza amasango mafile.
Your body will tell you.
Supernatural powers la. Angeke. No ways. You know, like for us,
No.
men
You
are
know,
sloppy,
no.
bruh. Men are sloppy.
That's-
to be honest.
that's what I was
You know
about to
why?
say.
Ne? You girls now have a thing, Oguti, when they have been caught cheating countless times, ne? But not red-handed, but because of patterns. I feel like you guys study patterns, and then like me, niyakwazi ukubamba information.
Yeah,
If I tell you a lie, like 5 years ago,
yeah.
and you ask me that question like 5 years later, you're gonna remember the
Remember
exact
what you know,
same
that's
answer
not what
that I
you
said.
said, yeah,
Where else,
sure.
Mina? I forgot I don't even know when your birthday is, bruh. I know the month, but ngiyakuthanda lapho. Bruh, I don't even know. Like, I don't care, but I love you and so on. Girls,
You don't care, but you love me.
girls,
Wow.
bruh, like yonke into niyayinaka. So if I don't text you today at 7 or around 7 to 7, where were you yesterday? It starts there. Aye, nginosbanibani izolo. Fine, you leave it there. Then next week I'm too happy ngibe emachiteni. Sengiyahleba manje emachiteni. Sengila esifubeni. Hey, last week ngo-7 isikhathi esikanjena ngathi bekenzala so. So ngibambile uthi no. You said you were there last week. Then all of a sudden you're this side. What's up? I start stuttering. I can't answer in time. I'm not
Because
that
you guys are
smart,
children.
'cause I'm
Men are
underpaid.
children.
Yes, they're very messy.
Child-minded.
Yeah, but the thing is, ne, Tina, when we cheat, to be honest, like men are horny throughout the whole day. Like I see a girl with bums, oh shit, girl,
Oh, wow.
nice ass.
Animals.
If I'm taller, like it's nature, but I won't act on it if I'm faithful to my partner, right? But if I were to act on it, it's last. But when if intombazano kaini out, should you feel the outlet? It's not like you won't just give it. You're giving someone who's like above. You feel like is above your partner.
Okay.
I'm taught. So manje sesiyakhompa seychayile phela wena masodala nomunye umuntu seychayile. Ayisekho into engakuyenza yona.
No, not really.
Ayisekho.
Not really.
Why?
Hey bana.
What's the difference?
No, not really,
You
man.
found it like
The thing is, you see, the one different thing about a man who's cheating and a woman who's cheating, as you said, you guys are very sloppy. You will be consistent in a certain energy. Feed me this, get me used to this, and then all of a sudden you change. A woman will give you the same energy even when she's cheating, and you're going to feel like you're the only one.
she's Zinja.
So that's why I'm saying it's not all the time where just because now she's cheating, yes,
Yeah.
most of the time, Vele, you are not going to sleep with someone you don't feel anything for
And then most of the
emotionally.
time,
But
my
other
husband-
women do that. They're very capable of sleeping with someone. I'm Kotlixas. Angabi nje nendaba naye. Abe ne boyfriend yakhe endlini.
Very true.
But she's gonna make you feel special. That's the most evil part about women.
Have
They
you
will
done
make
that
you
before?
feel
Have
special.
you done that before?
No.
Ah.
I ain't listening.
No, how do you know that? Yeah, how do you know that?
I just know.
You've never cheated before.
No, but no, I've never
Say
cheated.
something. Say something.
I've never.
And aunt,
What is
you've
cheating?
never.
What is cheating?
Oh,
Crazy. Ray.
cheating is okay.
I've never
Okay.
slept with anyone else when I was in a relationship.
You can look at someone like straight in the eye and lie. Ne?
Ngisa ngempilo yami,
Nyabuza, like you can.
I can't.
Superpower.
Because we're on camera, like
Superpower.
have you cheated before, Asante?
Yes. I'm not prideful. I'm not.
Why? Okay, if you cheated before, why did you cheat?
She was pretty.
You cheated Nentombazan.
There's Yes.
Aha, ungaqamba man.
Yes.
That's not cheating.
Hi,
How is it not
Friendly,
cheating?
How is it not
friendly. Nah,
How is it not
it's
cheating?
friendly, Nah, I wouldn't crash out if my girl were to.
Some people crash
be
out.
with the
Yes,
girl.
Sana.
That's all.
That one did crash out. So yeah.
So you
Like you slept with the girl.
how do you feel?
No, I didn't sleep with her. No.
How do I feel, Megan Zalan?
How would it make you feel to know that you're competing with women?
Like as in the
And it's a competition.
things like women.
A competition that they could never.
Never win.
Mamela, thing is, ne, like a woman, ne, khona izinto engingakenza zona. Angeke akenze zona.
Asinandaba nalokho.
Yezwa like le i-draw kahle kahle le. Akuna win, akuna lose. It's a friendly game.
Anas,
So,
it's
but if
anas.
someone were to stick something inside you, like me, it's war. Like angithola sengiyacabanga ukuthi okay, Cheram is Febe or lekaka le mhlabile intswembu. Between the two. So sengiyacabanga ukuthi hayi sengicabanga kaningi, but if you're a girl like I'm like girls sesijwayele ukuthi amantombazane niyathanda experiment manicabuzana nidizinyana lapha like
Okay.
konje bayibizana bisexual or something no?
Goes back together.
Bruh, like
Hello guys,
Antola,
it's not a myth. It's not a myth.
are you okay? Did you sleep with? I mean, whatever you did with the girl, ne? Did you do it because you're bisexual or you just wanted to
I'm
experiment kissing?
bisexual. I've been bisexual. I am.
Okay, I
Yes.
feel.
I am.
You sure that you're bisexual or
Yes.
you just
I
Antola? Simpiwe,
am.
What?
are you bisexual?
No, I'm not.
You've never kissed a girl before.
I have,
Why did you do it?
because she was my friend.
Like
See, even back together.
exactly, like umba kuphela, like umba or like a kiss.
Like kiss.
Why? Like you can't just kiss someone because they're your friend.
She said kiss me and I kissed her. Oh, she's my friend. She said kiss me and I kissed her.
Contradictana.
Sikontradiktana kanjani?
No, we have different reasons. I'm bisexual.
She's bisexual. I'm straight.
Yes.
My friend asked me to kiss her and I kissed her.
Your friend is bi.
She's not.
So when bebagang experience, like I say,
Guys, sometimes like you guys are having a nice time and then she's like kiss me and you kiss her.
okay.
It's not deep.
No flop. And I wanted to touch on something, ne? Khona into bengilungicabanga eMalange, ngithola, with the world that we're going to, ne?
Yeah.
And ngifuna ni answer like honestly, ngithola. Don't put the fact that you're a woman.
Ask.
Like, yabona. Do you think South Africa is worthy of having like a female president? Like, do you think a woman can lead SA?
Yes, I do.
Yes. I think a woman should get a chance.
Yeah, I knew it.
A chance at least.
I knew it.
So we see what's the difference.
So you don't think so?
I don't think so.
Why? Because I'm
I don't
thought I
think
have
so.
succeeded so far.
Nah, you know, I don't undermine women at all. Like, abantu besifazane, you guys are smart. But when it comes to things like leading and so on, like there's a certain amount of power that like you can give to a woman and so on. I feel like women are like too emotional.
I knew he was gonna say that.
Yeah, it's true.
I knew he was gonna say that.
Logic is
No, it's not emotional. I just knew you were gonna say
your
we are
reaction,
emotional.
like it has emotion.
No, I just knew you were gonna say we're emotional. We're too emotional.
Yeah,
because
am I
that's the
lying?
answer that we
But
always
emotion is
get.
needed, Galok.
No, it's not.
It's not.
It's not.
It's not needed.
When you act on emotion, you are not acting in the right mind.
Really.
All
the time.
Phela emotion ayibuye engqondweni ibuye enhlizweni. And you can't use your heart to think.
Can use your heart to think. Some
You
situations
need logic.
But some situations need heart most.
Heart kanjani. Okay, let me put a scenario in a essay that can be led by women and all. More men will go to jail. Like more and all.
Isn't that great? Many men should be in jail.
Not all men should be in jail.
Yeah, but more should be in jail.
And you know, Uti, like most men are in jail today, like for things that they didn't do, right?
It evens out to the ones that are not in jail for things they did do.
Emotions. Again,
It's not emotions,
like
it's facts.
your reaction towards the hate of men.
I don't hate men. I just
Like there was
I don't
this
hate
other
them.
series bengibukele ne angikumbuli. I'll try and remember it like while you're speaking and so on. There was a time where England was ruled by Queen Elizabeth and so on. That reign was terrific for men in England. So if you're a man and when there's something wrong towards a woman, like even swear a woman at the time and so on, like you'd be crucified for that shit and so on.
nice.
They should bring that back.
Yeah.
They should bring that back.
Same thing. Because you guys have gotten away with a lot now. Because of
Okay,
that.
what about abafazi who accuse men of things that they
They
didn't do?
Yeah.
What happens to them?
Then they must get the same thing.
Do they though?
No, they don't. Because this country is shit.
Njengamanje kuyo le topic ya Limpopo Boy angithola. I'm not sure if it's true, but Limpopo Boy apparently is losing ama sponsorship. So nothing has been, unless umathilisa kana ama sponsorship or stuff.
Yeah.
But nothing has been done or damage has been done to Umathilisa except the fact that she was in a video and she's married.
Yeah.
Her marriage basically is on the line. But Limpopo Boy,
It's worse.
it's worse. But he was with a married woman, fine. That's all. But he's not married.
Yeah.
That's all. He can do whatever he wants. He's not married.
Yeah.
That's
Can
all.
I-
It's the woman's decision. It's no, mina ngishadile. Ting, relax. Angifuni Limpopo Boy. Sikadlala kalitheka mupelaka. Ngithola asuke
Okay.
phambi kwakhe. But the woman said, "Nah, come here."
Ish, son.
So, okay, let me ask
But,
this.
yeah.
I hear what you're saying, Ned, that he's getting more backlash than the woman, right? Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, when we are judged through primary, through high school, when you are judged for being with a guy, when we get dragged on social media, that if today a sex tape is released of me, the guy is going to be praised and I'm going to be dragged. We as women, we go through that like literally every day. And then a person like Limpopo Boy comes here and you want us to say, why is he being dragged and not the woman? Whereas we face it throughout our whole teenage lives, even as women.
Okay.
So my thing is, we face it all the time.
On a regular, yeah.
And now you guys face that, you know, it's
Once
just
in a
like
blue
a
moon,
splash
yeah.
in the water, and it must be a big thing.
And Mina, I
But we are constantly defending ourselves. A sex tape gets released of me right now. Who's gonna be dragged?
You're gonna be dragged
Exactly.
because I'm saying jail, ne? As a woman, you are in charge throughout from ubungane bakho until by
In charge of
age
what?
yakho manje, of your dignity, bra.
okay.
Ngithola. Ukuthi wena phela amehlo akhona ngaphandle, people talk, bra. Ngithola.
But no,
we
I
see
feel like-
you when you do things, we see you.
Yeah, but you're watching
Ngithola.
us. Why don't you watch
I don't.
us?
I feel like you're not. You're not
when sisita
understanding
phambi
what I'm
kwethu,
saying.
senze njani? Okay. Fine.
Why is it such a bad thing for me, and such
Because
a good thing for
we
you?
hold women so highly, yabo. So from abafazi laba bebakhona before
Oh,
the
hayi,
generation
safela laba
yamanje.
fazi.
Yeah, vele nifela bona. They set the
Okay.
standard high. Just like the fathers who
And-
mamela, just like the fathers who said, "No, mina ngiyahamba ngiyosebenza. I'm going to provide for my family." And all. Those are the standards that today like niggas are now like amantombazana thanda imali, what. But it's the standard that was set by our mothers and grandmothers. Guthi mfethu, as you're out, you have to provide. So manje, each generation manje is very vocal about it. Guthi, nah, dog, I won't be with a nigga who can't provide. And all. As much as you want a nigga to provide, you have to be a woman worthy of that. And all.
What makes a woman worthy of that?
Okay, depends. Umuntu uthandani. And all. If you the type that shakes ass, you the type washes whatever dignity. But it has to be, bruh, like umuntu worthy of getting married, which is umuntu oziphethe kahle. Can't be umuntu noma umuntu onjani.
You're very wrong. You're telling me that a person who's right now getting herself ready to go work at a strip club and she's a stripper, she's not worthy of no man should ever look at her with the eyes of uthando.
If he doesn't want to be embarrassed, yeah, sure.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
If ufuna ukumfihla, to be honest, like if ufuna ukumfihla, then fine. But I don't think ukuthi like a family.
So you're saying that she's incapable of changing?
She is. She can.
So why can't she receive the same love
as at the time?
No.
But because of him. Okay. When do you make? Does it make sense for you for someone to marry a porn star?
She has room for change, Shakir. She has room for change.
A lot of room for change.
Yes. And if that man is willing to lead her there, then it's fine.
What happens? Then I'm a situation anjalo lead back to the situation Galimpopo. I'm not saying Matiliso is a hoe or anything, but it goes back there.
No.
And young mangas because you say like, okay, I get you trying to defend women young tall. Like ninjalo vele nizo khulumela.
Vamos para Mike, né? Mike. Hey, input ya how you na right have, right?
Rolling.
Mo is finally here, as we said, All Girls episode. To begin with, 3 months, 3 available. Destiny's Child. Mo is here. They have been talking a lot, going back and forth about that woman conversation. I was like, are you cutting? Because you don't have a stop, you don't have a resolve. So let's just move on to other things we can talk about. How are you, girl?
Great.
We've been waiting for you.
Oh, yeah. I just got here and I realized that you guys started. And I was like, you know what? I am late. But
Yeah.
I'm here.
Yeah, I just thought we could
At the
start
end
and
of
then
the
you could
day.
just come in, you know.
Oh,
that's-
okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
discussing
Okay.
now.
I'm here. I'm here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, moving on, ne? We all have, we have different relationships, right, with our parents, right?
Okay.
Not everyone has the same relationship with our
Bazali.
parents, yabo. Abazali. oh.
Abazali.
Yazini. Hayi azilangi ziwakhuluma kabi nginombuzo nje. Do you guys feel like we owe our parents something or anything or a thing?
I don't feel like I owe mine anything.
And why did they have us in the... So they had us, hore, they must like be compensated or something.
Yeah.
Is that what you... No, I don't think so. I don't think... And I don't think my parents owe me either, but
Yeah.
I don't owe them.
Definitely don't owe them.
I don't owe them anything.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. When uthi no, because ngiyabona your face.
Joy Rahala. Why ngafaka condom yena? I'm here now.
Okay. Okay, that's your answer. Okay, that's fine.
So
yeah.
huirahala-ing, like what happens? What do you mean huirahala? Huirahala.
Like I would say I owe her, yabo. obviously there are lapho nalapho kuthini ukuthi manje like nawe uyasibona isimo sasendlini ukuthi sinjani.
Yeah, true.
Yabo.
Yeah.
So there are, as people sibuya in different backgrounds.
Backgrounds, yeah.
You only know ukuthi ekini what are you guys dealing with. Yabo. Whether you rich, I don't like to say poor, but whether you not rich. Yabo.
Or not rich.
So like
No other words, yeah.
uyabona na utshwanetse utlisa seshebo.
Hey, wait.
If o batla utlisa seshebo,
wait e tshwana le eng le leri wait eng seshebo sa hao ke le leri bona no tshwantse ba se reke
Yes.
focus
Pampers.
pampers angithi bakulethile emhlabeni abazali bakho mele bakondle okay mama ngabe bayakhona ngithi usilo it's either they are rich or they are not rich mangabe uyakhona ukukondla uzokondla
Yeah.
makangakwazi ake kusho ukuthi uhlulekile mhlawumbe uzoya somewhere else because some parents are cooperating with like abogogo abo aunt it's not ugogo akusumzalo wakho
Umzali wakho kuphela, yeah, true.
so
True.
I think as much as Connie's situation naye when you were still a bit younger they could have done something else about the whole thing or okay mina ngiyabona ukuthi I'm not working mara ugogo uthi akamind ukumnakekela sengimnika ugogo uyu umuntu ongathi ngiyamkoloda loyo yabo.
Okay, yeah, okay. That's actually in your situation, yes, I understand you. I can see, yeah.
You know,
That's
okay.
a lot of people involved. True.
With the people that are raising you, those are the people you call out. But your parents, if if they were raising you, it was their job, very. But the people
Very.
around,
Overkolotang. That makes sense.
Bo auntie, bo malu.
Yeah.
You can say, okay, I owe my aunt this, I owe my
'Cause she didn't have to,
uncle this.
basically.
She didn't- exactly.
At
But
the
your
end of the
parents,
day.
They have
Awa,
to
hey.
pay. Like, who must?
bangenzile. I'm here because of them.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
That makes a lot of
Well, in my opinion.
Yeah, I definitely agree. I mean, I didn't have like a direct gogo growing up. Well, my grandmother's sister, yes, ugokwami, but yeah, my straight grandmother, no. But I do relate because there are a lot of people involved in raising a child in a family,
Yeah.
especially if it's a big family. There's so many people involved in
Yes.
different ways. So, yeah, I don't think we owe them. Sana, we are here, and that's a lot of so later. They don't owe us, and so forth and so on. You know. So yeah. So I was asking her, Guti, what like is there something interesting she saw during the week? Maybe that she
This
likes to
week?
talk about. Yeah.
You know, Nengsha, a memory loss. Like, enzima kakhulu. But like, I wouldn't say. I feel like, what did I see that was unique? You know, experimental. So I have a dog, and I dyed his hair blonde. Well, it's not normal for his breed, but me seeing that, I think that was nice. I think he looks pretty cute, and every time we came over, and it's always like, wow.
Mhlambe sofaka isithombe saka Vicky like aziniboneni unjani
Yeah.
udayile nina makhanda wenu I'm sure mabi.
Yeah, but yeah, buhle benja cabanga.
Buhle benja.
Ubuhle benja.
What about pet peeves? What are our pet peeves? I feel like our pet peeves change from time to time as like sikula. I feel like there are things we learn to tolerate and things we change our minds on. So what are your current pet peeves?
It's again, I went at like Yatseba. Pet peeve gig.
Oh, pet peeve was like the ick.
The
Like maybe,
ick
yeah.
in
like
something.
In general, nje, in something. Nje. Maybe something people do.
Oh.
Or like, maybe like, let me say, when it comes to people, my pet peeve would be loud chewers.
Oh, I see.
It annoys me.
Okay. Okay. People
So-
who smoke cigarettes indoors.
Oh, yes. Cigarettes indoors.
Sharp. I don't
God.
mind people smoking, but why inside? Okay, I can take hardly, weed here and there, but cigarette inside.
I feel like cigarettes is strong,
It's
man.
so strong. It stays, and you
It
couldn't
stays
like
in the air.
yeah
A lot longer than
And now
weed stuff.
everybody else,
Nkayona.
Nkayona, ile wena uyitsubileng. So I don't know, but that's one.
I get irritated by a lot of things.
I know.
Yeah.
What's your pet peeve?
Let me see. I do not like the loud chewing. I don't like cigarettes in general. I hate like people who are loud unnecessarily.
For no
So,
reason, yes.
I hate
Yes.
loud music. Like there's a time for loud music, and then there's a time to just.
Definitely not in the morning. Say no.
Jalo, jalo. No, I get irritated by a lot of things.
Okay. Yeah, need to fast. Manje.
Guys, nearly Women's Day is in Kale.
Yes. Po.
Shout out Bafazi.
Boys. Yo.
Shame. It's fine.
Yazin.
But yeah, nearly Women's Day is Kale long ago. Yeah.
Shout out to Bafazi.
Very significant of South Africa to celebrate that. It's
Yeah, true.
very,
True.
very, very
True, with all that's going on. But yeah, for the women that are still here, shout out, women. Shout out. We are still here. We are still alive. If we go, then the bees follow, then it's done. You see? So we have to be here.
Did you guys see the story sale out sile Baibulele guest house?
Oh, yes.
I didn't.
Yes. Yes, for you. Emma.
I heard
saw that. I saw that, yeah.
They took girls home.
Guest
and
house.
then-
They took girls to the guest house.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, they took them to the guest house, and then what they gave them ended up killing one of them, and then the other one is in ICU.
They overdosed.
They overdosed.
Yeah.
And the girls ran away. Apparently, they've been running schemes all over, guys.
Who are
Apparently,
these
it's their
girls?
scheme. I don't know. No one knows their names yet.
Since this was drugs, guys, I don't think they were drugged. They were not like I think they weren't drugged. They were drugged co-location, and then this guy was like tired and he was fucked up already, and he was like, "No, I wanna go sleep."
And they were like, "Hey,
And they were
let's
like,
go."
"Yeah, let's go sleep," because they already knew what they
Booty,
did.
yeah.
And
They
then
know
when
it
he
was a
got there,
lie.
he just couldn't make it. And he never woke up. That's what I think could have happened, because this is not a first time offense, I'd say.
Yeah, for them
They
it's
knew what
not.
they were doing.
Yeah. Apparently, they are wanted, Vela, those girls, and they ran away. And they've been running huge schemes, like targeting obviously men in pubs or wherever people go drinking. Target them, maybe spike them, go home with them, and then drug them. Take the
Do you
things
think
back.
it's a situation from like at home? Like, is there like a struggle? Look, no, Ori.
Probably.
Ori,
Probably.
She's trying to find, it's the hustle. Who knows,
Yeah.
guys? Like, we're thinking, so it's not only men who commit these crimes. You see now.
You see now,
There's
it's
a
women.
murder. And Nede Basadi.
In women's man, they.
Yo.
But
I mean, all I can say is, if they weren't easy targets, this was never gonna happen.
exactly. This
was
thing
never
of
gonna
them
happen.
taking strange women and going wherever with them must stop.
But even those men in the clubs, they
Smart,
take these girls, bamba bayo qinisa imithwaso yabo ngapha.
You see?
So it's a two-way street.
Guti manje saying ngapha manje. Women
Yeah.
are now doing it.
Bahasel abanyana, guys.
Wait again.
Bahas- Hustling.
Yo, son.
RIP to him.
So
RIP, as in.
you call it hustling, ne? When it's done by Uchi. I'm asking, no, Nyabus.
No, not that.
Oh, the way you
We are
guys
saying-
defend men. I wish you guys would defend women like this.
We are saying it's
No,
hustling.
listen,
we are
like,
saying
mina-
it's hustling right now because
Okay.
it's a hustle.
Hustle ke hustle. Nama,
Not
nama,
to it's her job,
when
right?
when we're scared of
Mane.
walking alone at night, but being kunzila ngaphandle. I get it. It's hustling as well.
Isn't
So
hustling-
me learn.
Listen, yabona mina ne? Like ngifuna
exactly.
sibe on the same platform, angithi angithola. Nithi nina. Bantu bamba inkunzi, ne? And thina asinazwelo. We don't sympathize with all guys, ne? And then when baspika amachimbus, it's hustling.
No, but you guys
Hustle
also
ke hustle.
robbing girls is a hustle.
Hustle ke hustle.
Everything
is a
I guess
hustle.
when you're outside mugging other people, Ke
also
hustle.
hustle.
When another girl drugs a man and steals his things, ke hustle.
Okay, so now, which leads me to my next question. What do you think about false accusations? Girls who saying,
Can't believe we're back here.
I'm asking.
Hey, I was asking about that, and like we didn't reach.
No,
didn't reach a conclusion. Intention sure we were having the conversation
Iyenzeka, that's
and
it.
it didn't.
That's it.
Sizothini? Sithi sorry Sanzwela bubhuti.
Happy Women's Month.
Yeah, siyabonga. Thanks. Yeah.
Overall, a crime is a crime, guys.
Yeah.
A crime is
Men
a crime.
and women do it. It's just that statistically, men commit more crime
And that's just it.
because of
Ah.
women.
No, what?
Yeah, because of women.
It's because of women. They commit crimes.
Hayi
because
cha
of-
mina ngimzwanga kahle.
The reason why niggas go and
Uyasiprovoka
steal
lo.
shit is because they want to impress women. Simple.
No one asked you to go and steal something to impress a woman.
Please don't give him the yo.
Yo, alibereke.
Indoda master ngisho.
You just said that there were standards that were set by our forefathers, and you coming back and
Yeah,
saying
that's what I'm
ukuthi-
saying. You thinking sure Gucci niggas steal to impress women.
So
We
you're saying
didn't
even
ask-
back
Like when
then,
we popping bottles
even
in
back
the
then,
club. Asichaza machita. Chaza nini?
ubani
into enibulalayo leyo.
angisho nithanda bona laba
Into
abapopha
enibulalayo
ama-bottles.
leyo.
Angisho nithanda bona laba abapopha ama-bottles.
So-
Angifuna bona.
So,
And the problem starts when you guys put us under one umbrella and say ukuthi amantombazana anje.
Exactly.
That's where the problem starts.
Exactly.
so,
You're old boys.
when ufuna ukuthi ungajola nami like ngiyawuthi hleli kahle nje ngiloko baby I love you. Hi, I'm on my period.
Akhona ama-types
sorry.
wakho. Akhona laba abayithandayo leyo nto.
Yeah?
Akhona ama-types wakho.
Ah, come on, let's be realistic.
Akhona ama-types wakho.
I'm on my period. Hi, sorry, babe. I miss you. Oh, I miss you too. So when ungahlalela le relationship we.
Akhona ama-types wenu nizobathola.
You see?
Abazohlalela nini
Not
nihlale
wonke umuntu manje
endlini.
mina-
Nihlale nonke.
Isigantsonto manje
How?
sinemali. Hayibo guys. Sibaningi phela.
Wow.
Asikho baningi.
Sibaningene nina nibancane.
Yeah, guys. Anyways, what the crime? Sharp. R.I.P. to the guy. R.I.P. to the guy. It was a huge funeral. Hey.
Cishe ngathi angaphinde manje.
Lo sa-ICU angaphindi. Naye sothi RIP to him.
Uzothola ba-right. Oh, I have another question. Do you guys think hard work, like the way we work so hard, do you think it's enough to be successful?
Honestly, you can work as hard as you want, but if you don't know the right people, your work is not gonna be
Amount to anything?
well amount to much.
Too
It's
much,
gonna
yeah.
amount to something, but it's not gonna be as like of high success.
Yeah.
Because now you don't know the people who can get you from A to like B. You know?
True. So
Yeah.
if you work hard and you have connects, then
Yes.
you could like
Yes, you
be
can get
successful.
somewhere. Yes. Because you're willing to do the work, right? And now at least you know people. So
Mm-hmm.
I think that would work also. The support the clarity.
Yeah,
support
true.
small black businesses.
yeah,
too.
support each other. I think that's the other
Support.
thing also.
Lichila nami support.
Yeah, please, hey, please.
Ay, Mara, they scam us too much. Too much scamming.
That's the other problem.
Too much
But
scamming.
wherever you can support.
Because you can
please.
be legit. You have 500 followers. I'm not gonna order from you as long as I don't know you. I'm not gonna order from you because I'm like, what if I'm scam?
500. Yo, there's this guy gay on TikTok. Apparently he sells hair. Nah? So I was looking through his weaves and stuff for something else, yeah. So now I go through the comments because that's what I want to do before anything, any interaction, because this is money for hair. And hair is important. Banyana. Hair is very important. So I'm looking through the comments. Another comment is a picture of a wig. A messed up wig. A terrible wig. Apparently, that guy sold that girl that wig. and it does not look anything like the videos that are all over TikTok.
Damn.
My disappointment. And this person has a lot of followers gay on TikTok.
So
but
that is an example of a scam.
an example. So it becomes hard to support each other because it's like, if you're gonna show me a Lagos frontal Vietnamese, then when it gets here, it's yaki what. Then where's your young?
But also, I feel like when it comes to these kind of things, I feel like black women, okay, not black women, I'm sorry. Black people are very gullible because there was this other girl who got scammed, and when she posted the chats, you could see that, but she continues and sends them. And iPhone 1.5.
Yeah.
No, mangatin.
And there's a lot of that going on right
No,
now. That's the
mangatin.
problem. There's a lot of that going on, but hey, ayathengwa wona.
Inkinga ngithanda ukuthenga izinto nge-voice note.
Oh,
Hambani
But he does see
ngisho.
show.
yeah.
DM for price.
Oh my god. Yo, but yeah, guys, siyatabalaza, yes. I feel like it's better to go to physical stores, to be honest. I don't think you should.
Or like an official site, like when you want like Nike shoes,
Yes,
you
an
go straight
official
to
site.
Nike.
Yeah,
like,
true.
Straight,
Yeah,
instead
true.
of the friend that you got on TikTok, a cell phone number, and then now you have to text the cell phone number to get a pair of sneakers. Yeah.
True.
I think though the reason why people do these DM for prices though is because they want to negotiate the price and they want something
true.
for quality for a very cheap price,
Yes.
So at least now when you're DMing, you can tell me I only have like at least 2,000 rands.
And I
so
want
and I want two. How?
That 1.5
And you
combo
want
for
money.
two.
Yes.
Exactly. You see? And then when you want the money. So do something for me, I do something for you.
Yeah,
I think
true.
that's the pro of all of this. Well, yeah, so far. That's why people go back to these things. Because I can negotiate. If Nike says it's 3.5, it's 3.5
That's
and
it.
it's not going
You can't call
anywhere.
anyone and say sorry.
Exactly.
Nike, ngicela ungehlisele.
Mr. Nike.
I'm happy Mrs.
Oh yeah.
How Women's Month.
Miss.
Maybe Mrs. Nike. That's us. Yeah.
Oh, well.
Nana. I was thinking, we play a little game to just close it off.
Cool.
To just go out with a bang, but not a bang
Right.
that's too explosive.
Okay.
So maybe never have I ever.
Okay.
I'm gonna say a statement, and then if you've done the something, you.
Okay.
Then,
And if you
The
haven't
next
done
person.
it, you just
then the next person asks. Yeah?
okay.
I'll start. Never have I ever secretly had a crush on my boyfriend's friend. If you've never done it,
While they were in a
Okay.
relationship.
yes,
If you've done it, you raise your hand.
Yes.
Like had a crush on
your boyfriend's friend
the boyfriend.
while you were dating.
Oh, the friend that you Mutwahau.
Yes,
Chome
Chome
hai. Ai, shame.
No one has done it.
Nah.
Okay, next question.
Kanjani manje?
Asiqhambe manga.
Phela mina
Okay,
Yeah,
you know
maybe
what?
he should
How about
ask
you
the
give him and then
questions.
he asks.
okay.
Yeah. Hawu asiqhambe manga. Oh,
Ngicela sikhuluma iqiniso ne.
okay. Buzayi.
Never have I ever cheated before.
I said what? I said I've never slept with anybody else while in a relationship. Cheating, it can be in many ways.
Yes. Yeah. Next question.
Abe ngifuna ukubona something.
No, ask us more.
Cheeky.
You should have asked us more.
Never have
Never
I
have I ever.
let me try. Never have I ever dated someone way older than me. Yeah, no.
Okay.
Yeah, really something. It's an experience, you know.
Yeah, no.
It's something.
half.
But yeah.
Yo, never have I. No. I.
Okay, fairly like age gap ne, when it comes to dating. Obviously, like ladies, vele lenza too much when it comes to that department and so on.
Okay.
Yeah, he's not lying.
Yeah, he's not lying. But otherwise, good fella. Amatatawagas guibamba.
Yeah, but
Bahluleka nje kuyibamba. As much as lerona sharp, it happens that you do meet all the people, but yena wa ya sa bone hore we ntse etsang wrong.
why sa qalela cause yena moholo.
Eh yeah.
Exactly.
Oh, you must lead by example.
I don't think I have one.
Ah,
Hypo.
I'm trying to think.
way.
Hey.
Let's fucking the sound of cricket.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have one.
Well, life happens, guys, over and over again. A lot of never have I havers. There is a hala, guys. Wait again. Oh,
Never
Hey.
have I ever. Snuck off with someone else while I'm with someone. Same area, same. Maybe let's say at an event. I came with someone, then I sneak off because I saw someone else.
yeah. Can it be like your friend? Like, let's say you went out on a date.
Not a friend, a guy.
Your boyfriend.
Let's say an
and then your
ex.
friends are like,
Let's say
we're
an
gonna
ex.
party.
No, let's say an ex. Let's
You
say
snuck
see
off
your
with the
I
ex.
know.
Snuck off with an ex.
Pass.
I've never.
Nah,
Yeah.
nah. Minang hambela mangan or hambeli. Oh, it's like
It's an adventure.
no, it's like it's
adventure is
either
crazy.
it's what I've done to sneak off. That's why I asked, is it anyone? Because it's either I'm like with a guy, I'm gonna leave for my friends, or I'm with
Yeah,
my friends,
yeah, yeah.
or I leave
With
for a
friends,
guy.
it's-
you know,
definitely
it's not
happens.
like I'm with a guy, I'm gonna leave with another guy. Oh, I've done it with friends also. Like I'm with friends, then I leave for other friends. Yeah, but I wouldn't say guys, and then my boyfriend. Then kokopanale ex ya ko kai kai. Guys, messing with exes is messy business.
Yeah.
Yo.
And it's crazy how there are still like girls who
messy.
can't say no to their exes.
True.
Mangakufonela
True.
manje uyahamba manje.
Yeah.
Noma ini.
Get
What your ex calls
soulmate.
you
According
going.
to them, get soulmate.
Go
Guys.
to they are toxic, they can't be together, ne? But
Yeah, that's how
Yeah.
they tell themselves it's right.
I've heard a lot of situations like with your
Oh, guys,
umuntu abajola nomuntu mari ex yakhe my phone na angahamba nasebusuku asuke empedeni ahamba.
Never have I ever dated a Jonas.
Jonas isn't like a whole man. A man.
a home man.
A serial cheater.
A serial cheater. I have.
I have dated.
I have.
dated someone who just couldn't help themselves.
Yeah.
Ooh, never have I ever been a side chick.
No, I have. I check.
I'm
not saying cheeky.
reaction. I'm sorry. Where's pizza?
I can't believe he doesn't believe it. He doesn't believe it.
Yeah, guys. Yeah. Hey,
Yeah. Ish side chicks. Yeah. Ish. So glad I'm done with that. Well, hopefully I am.
shout out.
Yeah, shout out.
Shout
Yeah.
out.
Yeah. I've been saved.
The chosen one.
The chosen.
Oh, like you know, the question, pendulo work pair.
You pushed it.
You're the only one who's ever been a side chick.
No, we both.
Yeah, you've never been a side chick.
I have.
Oh, okay.
I ngiyabuza kuphela.
Yeah.
Bengizothi you never knew yangithola.
Eish,
Yeah.
Limon. Yeah. How many minutes are we on? Maybe we can like wrap it up now. Maybe. Yeah. I think we can wrap it up, ne? Ladies, thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you
I'm
for
so glad.
hosting us.
I want us
Mfazi.
to do this again. Maybe do this at an event. but we are podcasting at the same time.
Oh yeah.
How would that work?
Oh yeah.
It would work very well. I'll show you. Tomorrow. I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
Podcast Monati, Tebeng Shabu. Ladies should have a segment here. I think this is cool.
Yeah, it is.
And it can be more fun. You know?
Yes.
So, Simi, Momo, let's sign out. Chilanami episode 36, signing out. Woohoo!
Shout out. Shout out. Shout out. Shout out.
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap. Oh, wait a minute.
Damn.